Nagasemere kwane omwanchi omulire na kwabere kugutwara obulgereria obuya emyegeta seni kia Ndizi TV nebiro binde na ndetoko yumerana ase emesa ya mangana maya elinde ngomanye aliabereka kokolekana ase ngongo chensi inyechense ase nchira iyo wikiranu inyora chense moche mitandao ase nsemo ya Facebook na bakatanya gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na biga sense media ya YouTube na bakatanya gwitira Ndizi TV News ase nsemo ya website na bakatanya gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke Eritrane Frida Kerubo na sinsemo chibioro kerelio niko tokubwatanere Joshua Auta tigatonyora lingwaliganiriti asenchira yoko ya chutia
kaganye tekitaikankaika oromo rogwokera edome igoro kabisa
enyomba yoboraro yeskuru yabamura yigunga koya
Tamasaho chora abantu bagaka barosire abata nyare kuikera chinsemo chonsi chiri chikwenda gukorwe gasi
abamenyi be county ya Kisii kuri birengero byabo kubwatikana no kigo choro kwa waziri kampuni ya Davis and Shutleaf korwa amaigiriko cha 7 engineer ba mache Omwanchi omulirya togo chaka kegimani gongo kumanyibuna eskuru yabamura ya igunga eyogotoka ase ebunge ya bonchali nigo yabwata omulero obotuko bogokira lero ase yatiga asara enene magega yenyumba yoboraro mokubwata omulero nabayigo gosambasa gochia ase chinyumba chinde kolengana no mworoke omonene bweskuru eyo Boniface Masese nigo aendekebuna angegwetania aborokigwa imichimi nigo basiria ebinto byabo omurikito ndemo Steven norobotiro asenchira iyo bwikirano
nigo yari mambia nkongwime ya secondary ya igonga ase chinsa 10 chia mambia omulero chaka ase nyombe ya moyo boraro yaboro kiguchimi berebe kirasi gya kianda oyuo samba kiregento kya boro kigu kyaleime
etwanyora mangana ayo mambia itwachaga kegima na obora bakeche mani ito naere ditangani ento twaboria omwana naumia mwana taumieti na twarenge gayo mambia igorira bana saa 10 nechitaika obokeria kaganye techitaika nkaiga oromo rogwokera edome igoro kabisa oskange tukirke kolekana otebya bana sokanga abandi kone bachire obatebono intuirana abandi abo batura bari bakone bataracha basoka bose abana babwaterana basokurimia abana bonse pimbaringe maria basoka iska
eskuru yaito yayi twavuga twanyora ngoyere the stakeholders have been informed. Sub county director has been here of education. This is no arulema, so we've had a meeting with some board members. So bonega ngane iligo soka ndike report na Kenya Power pacho kala investigation was an estimate yakora tuki obe osebuya so that the top any windows chain investigation toko nyora nestima to exonerate abana toko nyora talistima tutaka kora investigation yase na vega shego koru.
Fire department was on scene. I am from the fire department, so they did what they could, but moto kianzia juu in kila kitu ilianguka kwenda ndani.
Abaibori abange baikirana mbao boiguno mubasokano yo asekorende bachengerengana buna moro kiguta yo tige ruchingoma gosego sirio bogima
senkwere le nyasane ngambia mono mwana ne nanyo ndale moyo binto sabatukego sano mia
toko sabato baegwe alafu ama tukoma kaigo alafu rende programu egendo digara bagenda na masomo
so sasa sahi hawana mattress hawana any beddings. That is very important. Usiku inakaribia, we only have a few hours, we need to think fast so kama uko na buy mattress ama blanketi utusaidia hapo haraka haraka ndio wengine hata kama wana share upunguze hiyo burden ya kushare.
Evi karoni go bigendrete igore kikera kuru kogendere chisemi meskuru eyo asa baibori baboro kigubekera sigia kianda amunoboteneri bwa serikali bwasabiru ko bwatsia St Paul sigonga ase koreto botoereru ase skuru eyo
Abana banyo ne batwanyora form 1 yok. Tari skuru engima. Entonces ya skuru engima moroche. Abande mbiro twate kaiga. County ne to koje matres. Ne to konye chisandu. Abana sbarabiki.
Mware kwanza matokonye. Asengenza abande basokire batachitense babegete chige muskiti abande byato byabo byayere iyo nyomba. Nabana bune serikali yabeire chibesa chiakongire baiboli ntobwati kene nkorera tole none school fees konyontora akora.
Nabo kwana lakini tokorera gochinga. Bono tokoborende ngakiende enchere sukuru yakolakana beyete chimilioni chibesa chichiete. Tokoborende ndonye none county government ya ito. Eita no ensimba yale konyale kanate ebiu na bale gochaligereri na bale koyeria marika eitonyore gotokonya na bale gotokonya kindi.
Nonyobo tukibwa imebo gendrete gutukengana yo muliro toka skuru ya Igonga Secondary School ama bori korwa saba ibori nabo watani bechi semingo ikiranga kiki emero yechi skuru erabege koera. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa igase skuru ya Igonga Secondary School gotoka imebo mariba ward mebunge ya Bunchari erietariane Ndemo Steven.
Mbia mano sana omurikeito Ndemo Steven asogotwaliganiria orobotirwa senchira iyo wikirano kwento gotigana nayo Ndemo Steven na gusika mutu ase orobotiro ndeni kongo kumanyibuna ya kampuni ya Davis and Shortlift ni goli tukolia rero yarwa maigere gochia ase aba engineer korwa sensemo ya mache asoko eneki obokoleri obia ase emirimo yabo aba igere yo nigo akorwa ase chi county isato county ya Migori Kisii na Boigo Nyamira ase bara no manager korwa orosagirwa Kisii oyu erera engencho ya maigelia yu muriketo Evelyn Osero norobotero asenchera iyo bwikiranu
aba engineer ba mache korwa sechi county na Boigo sub county korwa Kisii Nyamira na Migori ritkoria rero nigo banyora maigerio korwa se company ya Davis and Shortlift kubwatkana nobo koreri bwabo omurobero rawa na Dennis Miranyi oyoro moteneri bwe company eyo orosayarwa Kisii
goto bari atamo to train mangana solar pumping na generators egera understanding akibago jotumeke binde kyana buto ko abuna the final consumer siege product echi kibire field na urwa mayanga kiba bako bitume so ekera ba cross provision na urwa understanding nkibago supervise mba contract anchi nchikorete bintu bat understanding ninki
ekirenge kenene kya maigeri ayo no bakoreri obwororo gochia somwa na inchi na kumokea neria rigoriria wakanira mache.
What we are focusing on no go transform the county kogenda go to make a solar pumping is a cheaper option kiagara wananchi mbali gochiko forced to work on bills.
Omo director wa mache county ya Kisii niga kambu ya se company ya Davis and Shortlift na Boigo serikali ya Kisii asemerobero ya mache ime county ya Kisii na goteba amaigeri ayo na chigokonya mono asobokoreri we county ya Kisii.
This module of training them so that they can be professional in their area of work. At the same time, it helps them also to supervise our project.
Asensemo yayo mu director bwa mache county ya Migori nigateba bananchi babiri bagochandika segeka asauro kyo kwegena kwa monchorerio na oteba mbachi kubwaterana ne company ya Davis and Shortlift eryo kwororobya obogima bwo mu Kenya.
I want to say that going forward we are going to partner with the Davis and Shortlift to ensure that our main water supply or water treatment scheme will be having a hybrid or blended system.
Engineer Kenneth Omoyo nigo aganya chi count kubwaterana na Davis and Shortlift irigo ikerania obokoreri borobya.
Cost of bills chikogenda as water, it's very costly. That money can be substituted to do other projects. We therefore asking the county government a partner with this Shortlift. Therefore, banyare got such kind of products both in the plants as a chibol county schools and all that.
Douglas Mbura oyoro yo mobwa engineer korwa se county ya Nyamira nigaine kyabuna e county ya Nyamira nigo yacha kiremerobero au eyo barachi kogendereria eryo gokonya abananchi.
Nyamira, we have several projects that we have been implementing. We have borehole projects. And we also have water treatment projects that are some of the projects that we started from the last financial year that we are going to be implementing this going forward this financial year.
Engineer Miranyi ni gaine kebuna aba engineer bubanyora maigerio machiko e watch certificate chobokoreri obuya.
Ngo batore certificates for Davis and Shortlift authorized by EBK Engineers Registration Board So the engineers were registered kibachaga go forward tora maleta bago chiase EBK egera babe considered for award of professional development points.
Nigo bakora so gwakambia mono asibali bonse baikirana asa maigeri ayo na oteba bunamba chikobwaterana erio korwa obokorero buya na nene kworobya obogima bwo mwananchi.
Appreciate for the huge turnout total from both the counties Nyamira, Kisii na Migori, and I hope going forward into the partner to make sure abantu baito county zinga nyarabale project chile chingia chile sustainable na chikokonya abananchi bakawaida sebinyoro bito.
We are looking forward to working together with other partners, particularly Davis and Shatliff, so that they can also offer us the technical expertise that they have, so that we can actually achieve our goals.
Nomoroberio okorekana somo bogani oyo moime omuchobo songo ase abanyinya banke baba gwikirana abo banyora maigerio ayora chikobakonya asobokoreri bwabo. Koripoteregeta seni kia Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.
Mbiamano sana Evelyn Osero asogotwariganiria oroboti oruoru ya kwento gotigana nayo na gusuka mutumwa ncho murigerera nigongo kumanyubuna chingaki abagavana kurachi county abagendete gochora abawaziri naboigo ababisa ase oboteneneri naboigo kogendereria county bona nigo county ya Kisii neregendete kwerobire bene asoko ene kibunamba chigochora abawaziri babo kwenda bamenyi kubenseme yo nigo besokiri bene naboigo korwa ebirengereri byabo kubatikana no chikochorwa kwa bawaziri abo naboigo aba chief officer asebaganiri omugavana bwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati ochikoligereria anene mono abasae ase obokoreri obuya bwe county yo umuriketo Josephat Amisi na roboti rasenchira iyo boikiranu
Chingaki oboteneniri bwe chiserikali chechi county ao bogende ko kwenekia ngabwanyale ko abo kubachora emeremo amawaziri ao abarachiko bagutenera chi department as chiserikali chechi county bono amaiso yabamenyi be county ya Kisii nigo aligeretie anene guchabisi yo mugavana be county ya Paul Simbarati ngambarabi kerokende barachiko bakwenyora libagelio libanyale ko bakubakolera emeremo abamenyi be county yo
Monto bwate birengeri byokora umwananchi gasi tamasa ochora abantu bagaka barosire abatanyare kwikera chinsemo chonse chiri chikwenda gokorwe gasi okorigeri nanseme ye na Gusii na abantu mbaro tosomete abana mbaro basomete chindu cyane njiro chinde kuru chinsemo abo
yendora ngo sabega bana ito Simbarati chigochora baraya babo chigotuwakirisha chinsemo eto saba achigochora abantu baranyare gasi kero mundu kulingana na masomo aye igo togosaba kago chikokori gasi yu arora abantu akobeka abantu barabaya baranyare kokori gasi batubwatsi abo bimobweto bwakongire se iga entu goika watu ororori kero batoroseirie bintu bya bere raisi igo igabana ito kuranje ora abantu rabeke ase county ito baratokonya
na bana baba kana barubachari bari batabwati gasi bagakora barubachari barora ngaba bairu nyore nkendende barara atamire baba sako emechime gochikoiba
abamenyi abo boigo nigo bamubolia omugavana Paul Simbarati anyarako baga kwenana amabagayo gochia asa bakoleri bali banyare kuteko bagotwara obumanyi gochia ase chi department ao ime ye county ya Kisii
government inare watch gavana ya ito twachora Simbarati ajigochora ji cabinet chair according to their experience in education so mete umete goro ya education bono na banta ajigochora achora banta baya elinde tumwa maguru no kokoko tuto te serikali ngiye to what skills ya ite gendere
county ite terachora and to expected ne chora eto ale ko saba egabana yito kere gabana yito tubwati kwanjereria egabana yito igakore ibintu biteneine twari ko musabanera ka gochora cabinet yiyaye nera abantu mbaira no muino bajaga kumurutama ke no bataya bakora iri kenyomba akora iri upendeleo achole abantu kulingana bunabamanyete lakini asengenjo Sasa makora ya maka akorire mnatumuruti naende twari kumuhimisa achora abantu kulingana entereria abantu bonse bararigire barore there is equity.
Boiko nigo bamubolie omugavana Simbarati anyarako bagagwikirania anene ekengase kerikeri chiko ya 2/3 gender iriera chikoba gekoenekia ngane n'abasibati n'abara banyarako bakwenyorera emiremo iri banyarako bakobeka obukoreri bwabo gochia ase abamenyi be county ya Kisii.
Abange nambatagete nakorwa babekwe ase oburai 2/3 gender they were assumed iko twaro saba asobo chorio wa cabinet ko jago ko gender will never consider, because if it is not to be considered then etra gene ba minja ya constitution yetu kegere constitution yetu eko emphasize on gender rule.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV korwa county ya Kisii elitarane Josephat Hamisi.
Mbiamana sana omurikeito Hamisi Josephat asogotwaliganiria orobotera senchira yobwikiranu kwento gotigana nayo na gusika mutumwa nchi umurigirya nigongo kumanyibuna magayo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto gochora abawaziri ase serikali enene litukolia rero nigo ebunge enene yatwara egikaro ase ogochora committee eyo gochikolingo lya abawaziri ababere bagochorwa committee eyo nigo gochikomera na chitariki 13 mutinyo igo 10 omwako yoiga ase okoegwa amaigelio nabo igokora kerigwa alibaganire gochigokora orobotoria senchira eyo bwikiranu.
And honorable members, the committee at order 8, the committee on appointments that was approved, debated in the morning and approved a few minutes ago, will meet tomorrow, Thursday, October 13th, 2022, at 11 a.m. at Count Hall Mini Chamber to get a briefing on their work and consider the vetting schedule for them to start vetting the cabinet nominees on Monday. The members that we've just approved, the chairperson's panel, will meet tomorrow, Thursday, 13th October 2022 at 10 a.m. in the Speaker's boardroom. Thank you. Next order.
Gotigana nayo mwanchu muri nigongo ndeye maseye mogoika county ya Nyamira abwasengo komanyibuna ekyombegia International Solidarity Foundation nigoge kutumekwa gukorwania chisegi chegenga aseritukolia rero basegeta abasubati nakiba kwimuki egetambukero nabo igochinjira chinya cyuko gasya chibesa nabo igokeania amakabeso amaigelia yonigo akolekana se county ya Nyamira ase abasubati kurachinsemo baegokera omurubiriyo nabo igogo segeta abamwe abo asoko ene kibuna chinga cyabo ngutwara kire omurembe chinga kicyonsi
anene mono kisegi tokonyora Gusii yaito echikorwa samangana yogota budget amo omugako nyora chibesa o budget kivyake omongina gako nyora chibesa nero okora muna tagete bono mweli oye kisegi mpaka chiche kororekana nakike togo teberia abantu baito banyare ko babakoba abantu bamanyete kubanga ebinto ase family amo na kumanyanga chibese karo bachinyorire mbuya bachibangeramo
nje ya faida za kuwekeza pesa kwa benki mojawapo pesa ikiwa kwa benki it's very safe like now there's the risk of carrying cash
konyorura bangina nkwimuki bade chiloni ekibachira batumia soko ego kia soko gore ndagera ya nyumba lakini rero baigeri gunga ekero kwa bugo yeroni the best thing you want to gukora no kuyebeka as investment
Chingaki omorobelio CBC ogendete koreta riberera sensechi ya Kenya serikali bano nigo yimukiri egetambukiro nabo igokoeneki gochibale komenta chinguru omorobelio CBC omokonyi bo muraibwense rigati gashagwa litkuliara nigo batwara egeikaro asensemo ya Karen eligo kwanera committee eyabeteke gochorwa ase sector HSM elinda koeneki buna omorobelio CBC ngoli gole bene.
I am well aware that this distinguished assembly has brought together eminent professionals, high achievers, impactful citizens and public servants with substantial track records in matters to do with education, training and skills development. Congratulations on your appointment to serve on this working group And thank you for making yourselves available for national duty at this time when this country and its millions of learners need you most. The terms of reference set out in the presidential instrument that created this team are clear and precise. Kenya Gazette Notice 11920 of 29 September 2022 makes it clear that the task before you is monumental and that your work shall go a long way in providing clarity on the many issues that have persistently plagued our education sector, obstructing the nation from commitment to educate and empower its citizens effectively, efficiently, and in a sustainable manner. We are confident that you possess, individually and collectively, the requisite capacity to deliver and make lasting contribution to the sustainable development of this nation through a fit-for-purpose, responsive, relevant education that reflects our unique identity and culture as well as our aspirations. Many stakeholders have expressed concern that they may have been left out in the constitution of this working group. I believe that one of your most urgent tasks is to send a strong signal that your operations and practices shall demonstrate inclusivity, public participation, stakeholder engagement by endeavoring to listen to every voice and, wherever possible, enlist necessary assistance to ensure that your objectives are realized.
Boigo omwaziri w'ekisemyo yogo kigosoka Professor George Magoha nigairanirimbia mono gochie ase omorai bense Dr. William Ruto na boigo koerera okwegena kwaye ase gochigosira omorobelio yo CBC. Boigo nigo aerera buna omorobelio yo nigo aborokigwa gwetani milioni 10 babeire bakwenyorera amaigerio na boigo koyorusia nigo erachikoba akongu gochigwoncholeria.
Excellency the President, William Samoei Arap Ruto, for having assured us severally that CBC is going nowhere and that we shall be working around to ensure that it survives. And I think this was brought about by the fact that we are all aware that now we have 10 million children who have engaged in this manner. I also want to thank His Excellency the President for having pronounced himself that it is better to focus on the child. And my first charge to the members of the committee is that for whatever decisions that you are going to make, the constant shall be the child. And if you do so, Your Excellency, this very eminent Presidential Working Party will succeed without prejudice.
Omanche murigerera kurwa sorobotiro nigo naikire omoelio bwa mangana maye asebire biga kuri ndingo gusaba to basakanyegera ayona mange no yanyore chikoraga chinsa isato chia bono maragoba inyora chinse mo chichi mitandao asense mo ya Facebook na bagatunya gwitira Ndizi TV News Digital na baga sense ya YouTube na bagatunya gwitira Ndizi TV News asense mo ya website na bagatunya gwitira www.ndizitv.or.ke magachi kamera soko ene kibuna ebicha na boigo eliogiria gwikira sura senchira ya bene nere Petronila Mukeira tonya kwato kubatanere Joshua Auta chinse mo chibero kerelio na incheliane Frida Kerubo ngukoganilia obuligere